I've tried to give a flavour of how we as a business have fared in the second half of 2019. I've reviewed the market for first-time buyers, for home movers and investors, and I've considered how government housing policy will affect the building of new homes. And I've tried to give you, the customers, my view of where I feel the market is going in 2020. Download the full report to find out more. Well, Brexit was still looming large throughout the whole of 2019. The 31st of October deadline came and went. We had all of the potential disruption and uncertainty of the general election. But with all of this, and after a really challenging first half of the year, MMD saw real growth in Q3, which accelerated strongly into Q4. And that actually bucked the market, which was largely flat. However, remortgaging accounted for nearly 50% of all of the mortgages that we wrote. And that's as high as it's been in recent years. Well, home movers were the big success story of the second half of the year for us, up 33% to 57% of all the purchase mortgages that we arranged. First-time buyers were down slightly, but still made up 43% of all the buyers that we arranged mortgages for, and the Help to Buy scheme still proved really popular. We are waiting for the government to decide whether there's anything that's going to come along to replace that, but my view is that something will do, whether that's government or private or a combination of the both. Early signs are that confidence is up and the B word's almost off the agenda. We're expecting a Boris bounce in the first half of the year, possibly seeing a slowdown in the second half when media interest of the impending trade deal deadline ramps up again. But as last year proved, you can't keep the great British public down, and I think MMD are certainly up for the fight.